Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you found any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have Xtz Tezos with the USDT or the US Tether token, and basically Tezos is sitting at price at 2.51 US dollars at the moment, and we are down 2 cents or 0.78%. But it is what it is though. This is how the chart looks like. Pretty simple downside trend. Like 2 days ago on 25th of June, we just pushed to the upside. Let me just get a drawing tool right here. Now let's just get rid of that. So this is what was happening. So we pushed down, we pulled back, we pushed down, we went up to this zone right here, a pretty simple downtrend move. Now we pulled back right around here, but we never broke through these lows right there, which basically means that we can just have a reversal into the markets, but I don't know what will be happening with that. But yeah guys, these are just my thoughts, and I had a let's just click that off. Yeah, let's just exceed that. Yeah. So yeah, what I was talking about, a pretty simple downside trend. It is what it is though, but we never, with this downside move, we never passed through these lows of the candles. So that means that we can have a reversal, as I said, but we will see what will be happening. We would have need to surpass through this high here. First of all, this high, then this high, and when we have these highs, I think that we're gonna be pushing to the upside and break through all of these highs and just hit this order block right there. So yeah guys, this is my prediction. Let me know what are your thoughts if you're day trading or swing trading this. But for the long run, again, a perfect buy at the moment. And yeah, and this is it. If you want to support the channel, just like the video, it will help me a lot. And if you want to earn free money up to $40, go into the links in the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.